Hello, good morning, friends. So, in this today video, we here uh, talk about what is the prerequisite before the assessment, and I also recommend you follow the below steps for make your demo reliable. So, you also get the guide for the installation of SAB browsers and what is the platform used for this Capgemini test assessments. We all are discussed here. Don't be afraid or don't be angry. So let's we discuss. You got mail from Capgemini like this. Capgemini final assessment test with system check information. It is mandatory for everyone. Before going to final assessment test, you go with system check information. You also see here your final assessment is scheduled for 2022 October, 3 October 2022 at 12 p.m. So it is mandatory also for your demo check system. For demo test, for checking your configuration of system, you can apply and can do demo test before 3 days of the final assessment. Means your date of final exam is 3rd October, then you can make your demo test before 1 October. It is mandatory for everyone. If you not follow, then you face many errors and problems during the final assessment of Capgemini. So you got this email from the Capgemini sites, and after when you scroll down, you got that page. Here, mm, some steps for laptop desktop users. Here mention that download and install the Safe Assessment browser tool. Means here I only mention the refer page. Main this guide will be you are getting from this Aeon guidebook for installation steps. So when you click here to download, then you go on that guidebook, and you if you not interested on reading, then you all directly click on the video for installation step. Means third points, this one. So I will show you how to go proceed for that. Firstly, you go on, click here for installation guide, and when you go on that, you scroll down and first visit on the page number, like page number 10, and here you see Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Each compatible. For clicking on the link first, when you click on the first link like this, mm, on this link, then you mm, get the browser for which is satisfy your desktop Windows 10 and 11, and which is your which link is comfortable for you. You can click on any one of the link. So my system is Windows 11, so I click on this link, Windows 7, 10 and 11. So when after clicking on that link, you directly downloaded this browser, this one. I will show zoom. After showing zoom, like you can see that SAB tool window wide. When you right click here, and you also see the show more option, you can extract here. When you extract here, you get directly this type of folder. This is both are similar. When we click on that, there is showing two windows, Windows 7 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is approximately similar as Windows 11, so I click on the Windows 10. Then after clicking on Windows 10, you get one option, SAB Proctor dot executive files. So when you directly click on this, it wants some permission. You click on S. After clicking on S, it check your configuration of your system automatically, and here this wants some access token. So what access token we enter in this? So I also suggest you, please do it carefully and go on mail and check what is your access token. So here you see that there is a access token is same access token. This one first one is login credential or part of access token. So your access token is Capgemini 2022. I will copy this and directly paste on that. Yeah. Mm, mm. No, here it not be paste technology is to be valid. So you can directly enter cab Capgemini 2022 and then hit the start test button. After entering start test button, you directly go on the Capgemini test assessment test. So here you enter the superset ID. So what we enter here, superset ID and password and pass access key. You can note that I will show here. Wait 1 minute, please, bro. We directly go on the mail and show you what is the superset ID and passkey. It is mandatory and very careful to see that for you guys, because many students can do mistake on that part. So there is a two passkey. Like here you see that there is a two passkey. There is system check passkey first, and the second is final assessment passkey. So firstly, when you go on the demo test, you only enter the
blah 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 blah
6280159
blah blah.
in system check passkey. After when you enter all things superset ID, password and system passkey, then you can proceed on your test. There is a two portion. First one, like wait, I will show everything. 1 minute, please. Like when we open that SAB tools, after that window 10, then click on this and we give the permission as. After that it auto check our configuration and we here enter the token Capgemini 2022 here, and you see the guys here. It required three things: superset ID, which are you get on your mail. Means first one is same for demo and test, so you can enter 724. We enter this and enter your password. It's my password and passkey is mandatory for everyone and please enter it carefully. It is a system check passkey first time 628 blah blah blah. Then start, click on the start assessment. When you click on the assessment, it directly take on your assessment part of demo. There is a two part one and part two. In part one there is one question, you directly submit, there is no any issue. In second part you also get two question, one already be some take attempt, and second is when you submit it already have, you still have time, you cannot change your answer after submitting a page. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes. So after you completing your test you can submit it. When you submit it, then it automatically goes out and it open the next behavior assessment. So behavior assessment you can go on that and you can click everything, yes, 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 and go take click on next. You can allow your camera. After clicking on, we submit the reference photo. Okay, then it go on the second part. There is a flex test MCQ demo. There is no any need to hesitate, so we click on start button. Then a flex test MCQ demo should be start. So we allow our micro phone and camera. Then we click on next. Which of the following sorting algorithm need to be minimum number of swaps? You can give anything. There is no any needs of correct answer. Only check your system configuration. So I click on the like quick sort. After that you click on next. The answer is wrong. Okay, merge sort. Answer is also wrong. It's so you know that it also recommend you given a wrong answer. Then we finally select correct answer. So this is a technology which is used for your test. So you can which of the OSM model is known as end to end. So end to end presentation layer. Maybe it's correct. Which of the following maybe a binomial here from you can click any of the above question like we go high volume degrading at your end, so you can make low volume to ensure that it appears to execute in separation from other transaction durability. Then you click on complete. After hitting complete it should be saying thank you, and you proceed on the next button. After clicking on next, here it is shows a message and say task to complete. You have now completed all tasks. Thank you very much. You can leave the system by clicking logout. So when you click on logout, your Capgemini dashboard should be closed. Now you can click on cross button. The tool will automatically okay. Now you got a message, you have successfully submitted your assessment. So you can click on OK. So this is our video. Please I request you to like and subscribe. Thank you for